Hello everyone. Everything I'm about to explain has been verified by the mechanics here at the shop, so don't worry. We'll go step by step. If your Mitsubishi Outlander suddenly shows the message ABS service required, don't panic or assume your brakes are about to fail instantly. This warning isn't like an oil change reminder. It's basically the vehicle telling you, hey, my ABS system detected something unusual and won't operate properly until you get it checked. The first thing many mechanics discover is that, in most cases, the culprit is the wheel speed sensors. Each wheel has one that tells the ABS if a wheel is locking up. If it gets dirty from mud, road salt, or corrosion, the system gets confused and triggers the warning message. Cleaning or replacing the sensor often makes the light disappear. However, it's not always just the sensor. Some mechanics also report that damaged or corroded wheel bearings can cause the ABS to malfunction. If the clip that holds the sensor breaks or rusts, the system may interpret it as a fault. Many technicians have fixed the issue by replacing wheel bearings and making sure the sensors are properly secured. Sometimes even a weak battery can cause problems. If the 12-volt battery voltage is low, the ABS may trigger an error even if everything else seems fine. Several mechanics at this shop mentioned that charging or replacing the battery made the warning go away on its own, although sometimes only temporarily until a full inspection is performed. One detail many people forget is that after replacing sensors or wheel bearings, the system usually needs a reset or recalibration using an advanced diagnostic tool. If this step is skipped, the warning message may still appear even though the physical problem has already been fixed. So cleaning or replacing parts is only part of the process. Reading the ABS and ASC codes with a professional scanner completes the repair.